Good evening and welcome to April's edition of Nails Truly News with your anchor woman, Jana Gent. On this month's edition, top stories are a quick recap of March, what's to come in April, Mallory's mystery bags, and dips, and more dips. In March, Nails Truly Co. welcomed the Walk in the Garden collection. It featured 16 new floral sheets and 4 new floral-inspired dips. The Walk in the Garden collection also featured 4 floral patterns perfect for Memorial Day or Labor Day. Keep your eye out in April for our 3 military sheets coming out for Memorial Day. March also brought a number of other holidays and awareness days. We have Neurodiversity or Autism Awareness Month this April. We also had Easter decals come out and Mother's Day decals arrive. And now, on to the top story. The ambassadors are taking over April. A couple of months ago, I asked the ambassador team to give me some inspiration for 3 sheets and some inspiration for the color of a dip and to vote on this month's cuticle oil. And here are the results. Each of the ambassadors have been broke up into teams. Each week, the teams will host an array of events, fun, games, and giveaways in the Nails Truly Co. group. Each ambassador's designs and dip will be available in a bundle for $15. It comes with 3 decal sheets, 1 dip sample, April's cuticle oil, and a mani kit. It also includes a few cupcake liners for dipping. Each ambassador takeover sheet will be available for individual purchase, along with each ambassador takeover dip. However, the bundles are the best deal and they will be in limited quantities. This project was so much fun and the ambassador team was so great about it. They've worked hard and put a lot of energy into making sure the month of April is fun and not scary. Each ambassador was asked to give me a color and some inspiration for their dip. Most of the dips include fine glitter, as it is my favorite, holographic and iridescent, some glow. Also, there are dips with foils and dips that glow. Some of the dips even look different in different light settings. I've done my best to take a picture of them and make sure you can see what they look like in all light scenarios. Additionally, each ambassador was asked to vote on this month's cuticle oil. With a 58% win, a Troop of Toots won. It is a pear and citrus blend with hints of calla lily. Now that we've taken a hard look at ambassador takeover, you might have noticed there's one ambassador bundle missing, and that's Mallory. Her and I have been up to something totally secret. If you've been paying attention, you've seen the little Easter eggs hanging around the group, and you might have an idea what's coming. Mallory's mystery bag will be available only in the bag, and there are a limited supply. Mallory's mystery bag comes with 2 1-ounce jars of the exclusive dip, 8 sheets that match the theme, 2 nail swatches, a mani kit, and this month's cuticle oil. If you would like to see more on Mallory's mystery bags, be sure to subscribe to her YouTube channel at Mallory's Nails. She will be doing an exclusive series on this bag. If you would like to keep up to date on what's new with Nails Truly, make sure you click and subscribe. That's a wrap on this month's Nails Truly News. I hope you enjoy, and we'll see you next month.